I already received the phone. I already update some updates, application, the hardware. There's a lot of updates when you use that for the first time. Okay, so I'm gonna use that phone for vlogging. I will test it, and I will retire this Galaxy S3, and we'll see what's the quality. And maybe I will do some tiny quick review on that phone. Yeah. So yeah, this is the phone. It's a Zenfone Selfie. This is the box. By the way, the box is already open. I already opened. Too excited again. Earphone from Asus also. And where's the phone? Yeah, here it is. I already installed a hard case to protect my phone, and yeah, it's charging. Okay, so I'm using that right now, this phone, and it's still charging. And yeah, I will try this phone. I think I will use this phone as my regular camera vlog. So we'll see. Okay, by the way guys, I'm now using my new phone, the Asus Selfie. I'm using the front camera. It's not the rear camera, it's the front. It can record full HD at 1080p at 30 frames per second. How cool is that? More wider angle. Look at that. By the way guys, why I choose Asus Selfie cell phone? Because number one, the camera. The front and the rear camera are amazing. It has a 30 megapixel, same as the rear. Dual flash. Also, the rear has a dual flash. It has a laser for autofocus. I'm not sure about that, but that's what I read from the website. It's an octa-core processor. The speaker, it's humongous. The speaker of this phone, it's humongous. Okay, for me guys, using a cell phone for my video blog, it's like a very portable. It fits in your pocket. And also cell phones, they have lots of use. Like you can call, you can receive calls, text, you can receive text. At the same time, you can play games with it. By the way, I'm gonna check my bike. I will check here outside. It's hot. It's humid. No, not that one. So that's the bike. This one. Oh no, there's no air. Oh, no air also. Full of dust. Maybe I will clean this and fix the tire, but I will do that later, okay? Okay, my son is arriving now. Who are you? Who are you? Why are you late?
Give me that.
No. Where's your bag?
They're outside.
Hey, don't go near. Don't go near with the dog. Did you finish your lunch?
Yes.
How's school?
Great.
Okay, good. Zumba, like Zumba dancing?
Oh, yeah.
How much?
5 pesos.
What? 5 peso only? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh well. Gab, do you have assignment, Gab? Gab! Oh no. You're gonna use the computer? No computer today because it's weekdays. Okay? You have to change first. It's hot. Hey, that's my tripod. Don't use that.